Hi, this is Tim Blankenship with Divorce661.com. Today we are doing another live broadcast. We're also having this transcribed at the same time so we can embed this into our blog and uploading this to an audio file. I just hope my computer can keep up with it. So today we're talking about the divorce costs. And specifically, I want to talk about the difference between the cost of hiring an attorney to do your California divorce or hiring someone like my firm, which we are legal document assistants. First off, let me tell you what a legal document assistant is. We are licensed and bonded to prepare legal documents, and we just happen to specialize in the divorce process in California. We are able to work without an attorney in our office, and that's why we're able to provide a more affordable service. So let's get into the divorce cost, attorney versus legal document assistant. So obviously, attorneys do a much different job than we do. Mostly, the divorce process is completing paperwork. There are occasions where you may need an attorney, and that's if you need legal advice or if you need to be represented in court. Those are the two things that we are unable to do. Our license does not allow us to do that, and that's because we are not attorneys. So if you feel that you will need legal advice or you'll need to go to court to be represented, then you probably will need an attorney for that. Let's back up just a bit and talk about the beginning of the divorce process in California. The California divorce process is mostly made up of paperwork. You have your initial documents that need to be completed, followed by doing your financial disclosures. None of that requires an attorney. In fact, the divorce process in California can be completed entirely by a legal document preparation firm such as ours without any attorney supervision or without you ever needing to speak with an attorney. Now, we do have clients that start with us and they know they may need an attorney down the road, but they want to get as much of the paperwork done as possible before going out and hiring an attorney. So let's talk about the cost a little bit. The average cost to have your divorce completed by an attorney, and this is some research I've done online as well, if you were to look for it, is about $20,000. And that's $20,000 per person, not just $20,000 total. We have clients who call us who have spoke with attorneys, and they are just shocked by the amount of money that they are going to charge them for their divorce. After they've talked to an attorney, they generally will call our company to find out if there are some other affordable options for their divorce case. So when we talk to them, we explain to them the difference. We want people to understand that there is a difference between what attorneys do and what we do. But at the end of the day, we can help clients get through the entire divorce process from start to finish without any attorney supervision and without you ever needing to speak to an attorney. Now, if we run into trouble and you do need legal advice, not a problem. We can always refer you to an attorney in your area, and you can get legal advice, a consultation if you need be, and then we can get right back to work for you. If they tell you to do something, we can always just do that for you, and you don't have to hire the attorney to do that for you. My name is Tim Blankenship. We are a licensed and bonded legal document preparation service specializing in divorce. When you use our services, we work on a flat fee basis. We do not use a retainer fee. We will quote you a flat fee for your divorce, and that will be the total cost from start to finish. We do everything for you from filing the initial paperwork. We prepare all the forms. We take them down to court for you. And this is a complete service from start to finish, meaning from initial forms to service to judgment, all for a flat fee. You can go to our website at divorce661.com, and we have some pricing packages you can see based upon the amount of work that needs to be done, if you have children, if you have property that needs to be separated. Those all are determining factors on the total cost of your divorce. So feel free to look at our pricing page for more information. Going back to retainers and how those work, many people tell us that they spoke to an attorney and they told them the cost would be, say, $3,500 or $4,000. Now, what that is that's just a retainer. That's not the total cost of your divorce. The total cost of your divorce is going to be whatever it takes at that attorney's hourly rate to get the case finished. So if they're asking for $3,500 or $4,000 or $5,000, that number doesn't really matter because they're going to bill at their hourly rate. So if it's $300, $400, $500 an hour, they're going to bill you at that hourly rate until that money is extinguished. And if your divorce case isn't finished, you're on the hook for the difference. So that's how divorce cases can end up in the $10,000 and $20,000 range based on the high attorney hourly rates. So if you're looking for a more affordable service to get your divorce completed, if your case is mostly amicable in nature, even if it's not amicable, even if you know you're going to need an attorney but you want to save some upfront costs on the document preparation, we can really help you save some money by using our service. So feel free to give me a call. My name is Tim Blankenship. Website is divorce661.com. My direct number is 661-281-0266. I hope you found this video and audio helpful. And please give us a call if you'd like more information about our service. Be happy to take your call. Thanks for watching.